It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 19th of January. I'm Michael Groff. If you're a big fan of cloudy skies and rainy weather, well, we've got the perfect forecast for you here in the valley over the next several days as 3 Pacific storm systems hit the region. We'll talk about it as we look outside this morning. Mostly cloudy skies here in the valley at 5:40 a.m., currently sitting at 48 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 43, relative humidity 81%. The winds are light. The barometer is falling. There's a 39 out there at Fort McDowell. That's the cool spot, but most of us are in the 40s to low 50s around the metro and across south central Arizona right now. Plenty of clouds moving into the region ahead of the first of these 3 Pacific storm systems, and there's even a few showers out there. Good band of very light rain, some sprinkles. I would imagine some of this isn't even reaching the ground, and that which is very light. A little bit heavier rain down there toward western Pima County and into northwest Mexico. That first rain band will move through here later this morning. On the watch warning map, winter storm warnings for parts of northern Arizona, some wind advisories up there as well, and some winter weather issues out here through much of the west. Dense fog, the problem in other parts of the country, especially along the Gulf Coast this morning. Very thick fog down there. On the convective outlook, there's a marginal risk of severe weather today for places like New Orleans, Jackson, Mississippi, Birmingham, Montgomery, Mobile, Alabama, as far east as parts of the Florida Panhandle and extreme western Georgia. We're in the green, so we have a risk of thunder here in the southwest, and we'll certainly talk about that in all of our forecast details as we take a look at the models and see what's happening. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. Negative tilt trough coming into the southwest this afternoon. Southwesterly flow will import some moisture in here. We'll have a first band of showers that comes through this morning. Those will be very, very light. Isolated showers through the day under cloudy skies. High temps climbing into the upper 50s and low 60s. Not going to be a particularly warm day. Better chances of rain come in here with this system tonight. It'll be a brief window. This is the NAM tonight at 9 p.m. And I think this is the start of the prime time for our rain event tonight from, say, mid-evening through the overnight hours. Then by tomorrow morning, that system is out of here. But we'll say a 100% chance of rain this evening. Just about everybody's going to get wet, but not going to be a lot of rain with this initial storm. Probably only around 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch. The next storm system comes in here tomorrow. Deep southwesterly flow ahead of it. Cloudy skies again through the day tomorrow. Some widely scattered showers through the morning, becoming more scattered to numerous by the afternoon. Then widespread rain, locally heavy at times tomorrow night. Could even see an isolated thunderstorm with this system. I don't think we're going to see any strong storms. If this were a summertime type system, if this were coming in during the warm season, this would be a severe weather threat, but I don't think this is going to be that kind of a scenario. Just a good rain producer. These are the low-level winds, the 850 millibar winds tomorrow night at 8 p.m. And you see values over 50 knots here in southern Arizona. What that means is that's deep layered southerly flow that's going to promote some upslope winds or graphic lift, good rain. This will be a big rain event for the rim and a snow event in the higher elevations. The mountains north and east of Phoenix are going to get socked with some very heavy rain, and even here in the valley with that kind of a wind flow, certainly some good precipitation here. Again, a stratified moderate to occasional heavy rain tomorrow night through early Saturday morning. Wouldn't be surprised to see some urban flooding here in the valley. And the National Weather Service may end up issuing a flash flood watch, though it does not look like it at this time because widespread flash flooding doesn't appear to be a big threat, as this system will be moving fairly quickly. Saturday morning at 5 a.m. on the GFS, we see the surface low over southeast Utah. Still some lingering showers in here, but by Saturday afternoon, most of that is out of here. Maybe an isolated shower continues. The sky will turn partly sunny. High temps Friday and Saturday, mostly in the mid to upper 50s. On Sunday, not much of a break between all these systems. A little bit of a lull, partly sunny skies through much of the day. Some showers will start to increase over southeast California, heading into southern Nevada, northwest Arizona. But I think we hold off on the precipitation chances for Sunday. Sunday night, though, and into Monday. This is Monday morning at 11 a.m. The rain comes back in. Now, this third system is not as potent, not as strong, and does not have the moisture associated with it, but it'll still have certainly enough antecedent moisture left over from the previous systems and a little bit of its own to promote at least some showers around. Not going to rain all day on Monday. I think it's just kind of a mostly cloudy, off and on showery type of day. High temperatures mostly in the mid-50s. On Tuesday, that system begins to move off to the east. Some lingering moisture around. Can't completely rule out an isolated shower on Tuesday. Highs again, very cool, only in the mid-50s. Wednesday, that's all out of here. I think we're becoming mostly sunny, but still some lingering energy over the southwest, and I guess still pretty cool too, and highs only in the low to mid-50s. And we'll have to watch for the cold air on Wednesday night. Maybe some drier air starts to come in from the north, and temperatures could really cool off. We could be down in the 30s on Thursday morning. This is a week from today, Thursday, the 26th of January. Again, you still see negative height anomalies over Arizona, so temperatures will still be below normal. Highs only upper 50s to low 60s. This is Friday, the 27th. Looking like a ridging building in from the west, northerly flow. We're still dry and temperatures getting closer to normal, low to mid-60s. This is the end of the forecast period, Saturday, January 28th. Kind of a convoluted situation. High pressure nosing all the way up into the Northwest Territories, but some energy may still be over the Southwest in some form. Does not look like a classic big ridge situation here where we get a good warm-up. I think high temperatures will stay somewhere in the vicinity of normal, around the mid to upper 60s. Temperatures through the period off the GFS ensemble, and unfortunately, I really haven't been too confident in the temperature guidance off of either the GFS or European ensembles lately. GFS just seems to be too warm, and I don't think we're going to get up to 65 on Monday. That just does not seem to be realistic, but we will see. Meanwhile, rainfall through this period, we will be somewhere around an inch to an inch and a quarter if all of this pans out as advertised between now and then. One other final note before we close out here. We show you those radar views. The National Weather Service radar in Phoenix, as well as the radar in Yuma, will be down for maintenance starting tomorrow, the 20th of January, and continuing through about February 20th. So we'll have to rely on some other radar sources. So that may be an issue. So thought I'd pass that along to you. All right, that's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. Have a great Thursday.